So hello everyone and welcome here to my new video in Python 3. So today I will teach you how to calculate the area of a triangle. So what we have here is the formula, the equation, what's the basis of the triangle times 8 divided by 2 is the area of a triangle. So how can I write this in Python? So first of all, what I have to do is to declare a variable, and this variable will need a input from the user. So what can I do here? If I see here the formula I have here, the basis and the b, okay, I can declare here the b. What is the b? This b must be to be float, because I think this must be float, because sometimes we have some float numbers, not integers. So to work well with numbers, we have to convert this string in a float. So what I have to do now is to declare my input here and now open my quotes. So here I will talk with the user and I will say something like just enter with the value of b. Okay, this b in lowercase. So okay, now quotes and just closing here the brackets. Now I have the formula again. So in the formula I have the height okay, here. Sorry, so it was in my main language. So okay, now I have the age, and I will convert it to float and then input here. Now open my quotes again and enter with the value of age. So here, okay, perfect. This space here, you don't have to write this space here, but I just write here this space to visualize better the answer from the software what we are building right now. So okay, now I have the full formula. I can say like full formula or triangle equation, and now what's the triangle equation. So there in this picture here we have the whole formula, and open this again. So this whole formula, what it says to me is the b times 8 divided by 2. What I can do here is write this. So I declared here my b. So sorry, I did something, sorry. Okay, b times 8. So now I can multiply it by you know 0.5 or just divided by 2. It's the same. Usually in Python you can see people just writing 0.5 and sometimes writing the divided by 2 like this, for example, divided by 2. But you can, it's the same, you can do both of these methods. Okay, so triangle equation equals b times 8 times 0.5. So what can I do here is just print here, and now I will just write the area of this triangle is. And sometimes I like to do stuff like this, just give a little space here, and now I can just write my comma here, and now I just write my triangle equation. I think it's done, so I will try it, run. Okay, must be saved, enter with the value of b. So 5, enter with the value of 8, 5. Okay, it's right, because 5 times 5 is 25, divided by 2 is 12.5. So that's it. This is how to write the equation of the area of a triangle. It's really easy. So I do a lot of tutorials, really easy tutorials in Python here, and I'm working with some equations right now. And if you want to learn more about it, just click in the subscribe button and like the video. So that's it, and see you next time.